in the cube root of any number, okay, to finding a cube root of any number, we should know the cube values, okay, cube value of at least 1 to a 10, okay. You should know the cube value of 1 to 10, then it is easier to find whatever digit comes when finding a cube root, okay. So here you have to observe, like as we seen the square root, while explaining the square root, as I said, if the unit digit is 4 means uske square root ka unit digit 4 hai, whatever question is given uske square root ka value either 2 आएगा, either 4 आएगा, नहीं तो either 6 आएगा, okay. So that was the rule we were using. Now here what we have to use, same way, but here we are not using in such a way. Like how इधर कैसे होता है, if you observe the table of 1 to a 10 cube root, okay, 1 to a 10 cube value, if you observe, हमको एक unit digit में कैसे find out होता है कि we can observe that if any cube का value unit digit 1, उसका initial number corresponding value भी एक ही रहता है, means any unit digit value, suppose this is the cube value, इसका cube root का value भी unit digit 1 ही रहता है, okay. And if you see here again, देखो, if you find any cube value 8, any cube value का unit digit 8 है, उसका corresponding cube root का value क्या रहता है, cube root का value 2 रहता है. So that only we observed, and no one value is repeated here. So in the square में क्या होता था, if you multiply square, 2 square will be also a 4, okay. And again if you do the 8 square, again it's a unit digit will be a 4 only. So here there were two numbers were linking each other, okay, but here not like that. Here only a one number with corresponding that unit digit. If you get a unit digit 8 in the square cube value, their unit in the square root will be a cube root will be a 2 only. Like that, if 5 is there, that corresponding unit digit of cube root will be 5 only. But here another only one thing is, if anywhere agar aapka, now it is a 27 is a value, here unit digit is 7, but its का cube root value का unit digit हमेशा क्या ही आता है, 3 आता है. Wherever 7 is there, you'll get a 3, and wherever 3 is there, you'll get a 7. Like vice versa. Like wherever 2 is there, you'll get here 8, and wherever 8 is there, you'll get a 2, and wherever 4 is there, you'll get a 4 only, and wherever 6 is there, you'll get a 6 only. But the difference is, wherever 3 is there, you'll get a 7, and wherever 7 is there, you'll get a 3. Okay, only this thing, only 7 to a 3 and 3 to 7 and 8 to a 2 and 2 to a 8. Rest all you'll get as it is number. 4 का 4 ही आएगा, 6 का 6 आएगा, and you'll get 5 only, and same for 9 also you'll get a 9. But any other than this, only these two pairs will interchange their value. If 2 is there, you'll get 8, and 8 is there, you'll get 2. Like that, you'll get an interchanged value. This thing you have to keep in mind, okay. See, whenever you are finding, suppose if you are finding a cube root of 4-digit value, okay, whenever you are finding a cube root of 4-digit value and 5-digit value and 6-digit value, their cube root will be always in the 2-digit. That is a first digit and the last digit. So whenever you are going to find the cube root of 4-digit ka value 5 and 6, their cube root will be a first digit and the last digit or second. Only 2-digit value will get an answer as a cube root. But suppose if your value is like a 7-digit number, 8-digit, 9-digit, and so on, okay. So if you are finding a cube root value of 7-digit number, 8-digit number, and 9-digit number, their answer will be in the 3-digit. The first digit, middle digit, and last digit. Okay, there will be a 3-digit का value आपको आंसर मिलेगा। क्यूब रूट का वैल्यू आपको 3 डिजिट में रहेगा, दैट इज फर्स्ट, मिडल एंड लास्ट। अगर आपने 4, 5, 6 डिजिट के क्यूब रूट फाइंड कर रहे हैं, देन आपको आंसर 2 डिजिट में मिलेगा। सो यू शुड कीप इन माइंड हमारा आंसर कितने डिजिट में आएगा। ओके, विल स्टार्ट विद द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 4 डिजिट नंबर। 4 डिजिट नंबर के हम क्यूब रूट फाइंड करेंगे। So I'll take one example of 4 cube root, that is cube root of 6859. Okay, this is the one example, 6859. So here first what we have to do, we have to see our unit digit. Okay, unit digit में कौन सा वैल्यू है उनको हमको चेक करना है। So here if you look here, this is a unit digit. Okay, here this is a unit digit. So what we have to do, we have to identify unit digit and the first digit. So first consider unit digit. So unit digit ka value is what here? So unit digit value is 9. Okay, so 9 is here. Dekho, in the cube of 9 cube is 729. So here unit digit is 9. So 729 has a unit digit 9. So its corresponding value will come as a 9. So your answer, whatever your answer you will get, square root answer, so इसका last digit क्या होगा? 9 होगा. So your last digit will come as a 9, because if you see a unit digit 9, any cube value, so 729 is a cube value, so 9 is a unit digit and its corresponding ओरिजिनल वैल्यू विल बी 9. सो आपका भी लास्ट डिजिट का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? क्यूब रूट के बाद लास्ट का वैल्यू 9 आएगा. नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. नाउ वी केम टू नो व्हाट इज द लास्ट डिजिट एंड नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फर्स्ट डिजिट. एज आई सेड इन द स्टार्टिंग, योर क्यूब रूट ऑफ 4 डिजिट वैल्यू always contains the answer of 2 values, that is the first digit and last digit. So already we came to know the last digit. So now what we have to do, we have to find out the first digit. So what will be the first digit? So consider this only this number. Consider only a first digit number. Don't ignore these all rest numbers. Ignore other numbers. Consider only a first digit number. So this 6, just check where this 6 falls or where this 6 lies. So if you see the cube values, your 6 will be lies between cube value of 1 and 8. Your 6 value will be lies between 1 and 8. But among 1 and 8, which is the smallest number, the 1 will be a smallest number. So 1 cube will be a smallest number. इसका 1 cube का आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. So 1 cube will be a smallest number. Consider that 1 cube is a 1. So that will become your first digit. And your last digit is 9. So your answer will be 19. Your answer will be 19. I'll repeat again. First, what you have to do, consider the unit digit. The unit digit will be a 9. So check cube value. In cube value, which cube has a 9 as a unit digit? So 729 has a 9 as a unit digit. So corresponding cube root value will be a 9. So your unit digit will be a 9. Now I have to find the first digit. Okay, how to find a first digit? Just consider a first digit in the given question. So here first digit is a 6. So check where my 6 value will lies in the cube value. So if you consider cube value of 1 and cube 8, so your 1 will be lies between 1 and 8. And in among 1 and 8, which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. Okay, so your first digit will be a you have to consider a smallest number, that is a 1. So you have to consider first digit as a 1. Then your answer will be a 19. Because why I have to consider a smallest value? Whatever 6 will be there, no, that is actually compared to a more near to the 8. But as per rule, we have to consider always a small number. Okay, always a small number. Then I'll consider a 1 as a small number as a first digit. And if I combine both, that will be a 19. And my 19 cube root is the given question. And consider an example of cube root of 9261. So what will be the cube root value of 9261? Okay, so here 9261, as I said, first you have to see the unit digit. So here is the unit digit. Now check which cube value has a unit digit. So here if you see from all the values, only one is a cube value which has a unit digit 1. So your corresponding unit digit will be a 1. So your corresponding unit digit will be 1. Now consider only a first digit, that is a 9. So check where your 9 is a cube value now, where this 9 will lies between in the given table. So your 9 will be near to it will lies between 8 and 27, or 2 cube and 3 cube. So that will be lies between 8 and 27. So which is the smallest number here? 8. So 8 will be the smallest number. So 8 will be the, what will be cube root of 8? That is a 2. So here your first digit will be a 2. So your answer will be what now? 21. So how you got a first number? You have to just check where it lies in the given cube table. So it lies between 8 and 27. Consider the smallest number. 8 is the smallest number. So 8 ka cube value, 8 is a cube value of a 2. So consider that 2 as a first digit and 1 as a last digit. If you combine both, you will get an answer as 21. Now you people try cube root of 1331. Give me the answer in less than 2 seconds. This value will be 11. Now give me the answer of one more, cube root of 4096. 4096. In this way, we find a cube value of 4 digit. Now we'll see cube value of 5 digit number. Okay. Now we'll see the cube root value of the second one, cube root value of digit 5 digit number. Okay, 5 digit number. So I'll take a 5 digit number now. Cube value of, what will be the cube value of 5 digits? 39304. Okay, so I'll just tell this, later you can do 39304. Now again the same value, but here what you have to do, in the 4 digit number we took only one number, the first digit and the last digit. So what you have to do here, consider the last digit number and first 2 digit number. So here consider first 2 digit number, not a single number. Here you have to consider a first 2 digit number and here is the last number. Again procedure will be same. The here unit digit is 4 and which cube value has a 4? That is a 64, and 64 corresponding value will be a 4. So your last digit will be what now? Your last digit will be a 4. Okay, your last digit will be a 4. Now check 39. So 39, check where it lies. So 39 lies between 27 and the 64. Okay, 29 will lies between 27 and 64. And consider the smallest number, that is इसका cube root क्या आएगा? 3 आएगा और इसका cube root क्या आएगा? 8. So consider the smallest number, that is a 3. So your first digit will be a 3. So your answer will be what now? 34. So try to take always a smallest number. Where it lies between 3 and 4. The small number will be a 3. So that will become a first digit. And unit digit will be a 4 because 64 corresponding value will be 4. So your answer will be a 34. Okay. So now you people try cube value of, what will be the cube root value of 24389. So make a group of this one and this two and tell me 24389. So your answer will be a 29. Okay. Now take one more example. Cube root value for 15625. 15625.
15.
So answer will be a 25. 25 cube. The last digit is 5. So here is a 5 and first digit is 2 digits are 15. So 15 lies between 8 and 27. And the smallest number is 2. So your answer will be a 25. And give me the answer of this one. 32768. Give me the answer of 32768. You will get a 32 here because 2 is a last. Don't get confused. अगर इधर 8 यूनिट डिजिट रहता है तो चेक इसमें कौन सा वैल्यू 8 है. दिस विल बी 8. इसका करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू क्या है? 2 है. अगर इधर 2 रहता तो उसका वैल्यू 8 आएगा. सो हियर योर वैल्यू इज 8. इसका करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू इज 2 एंड फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट विल लाइज बिटवीन 27 एंड 64. 27 and 64. 27 is the smallest number. उसका वैल्यू क्या है? 3 है. So this is your answer as a 32. I hope you people understood how to do the 5-digit number cube root. Now we'll go to the 6-digit. Now we'll find third way, that is the cube root of 6-digit number. Okay, cube root of 6-digit number. So here I'll directly go with the example. As I said, again 6-digit number का cube root भी क्या आता है? 2 ही number रहता है, first digit and last digit. Okay, so take an example. Cube root of 941192. Okay, cube root of 941192. So here what you have to do? Again same way, check the unit digit corresponding value, but here you have to make a group of 3. इधर आपको क्या करना है? Group of 3 लेना है. So in the previous we have taken in the 5 we have taken a group of 2 and in the 4 we have taken only 1. So here make a group of 3. Then check the value. Okay, so here the 2 is a unit digit. So इसमें से 2 क्या है? 512. इसका corresponding value क्या है? 8. Okay, the last digit will be the 8. Then 941 will lies between, तो कहाँ के वैल्यू के अंदर रहता है? So that will be in between these two, 9 and 10. क्योंकि 9 क्यूब क्या है? 729 है. 10 क्यूब क्या है? 1000 है. So your 941 will lies between 1 and as I say in the rule, consider a smallest number. 941 the smallest number क्या होता है? 729 होता है. 729 का क्यूब क्या है? क्यूब रूट क्या है? 9 है. So your first digit will be 9 and your answer will be 98. Okay, so now I'll take one more example. You people try. Cube root value of 912673. 912673. 97 is the answer. So here make a group of 3 and 3. So this 3 is here. Check the table. 343. इसका value क्या है? 7 है. So 7 is the last digit and 912 is lies between again 9 and 10. 9 and 10 के बीच में रहता है. So smallest value 9 है. So इसका value क्या आएगा? 97 आएगा. And take one more example. Cube root of 148877. 148877. Give me the answer for this question. Your answer will be 53. Don't get confused. एक ही समझ में ले लो. अगर इधर 7 आया तो आंसर में क्या आएगा? 3 आएगा. अगर इधर 3 आया तो आंसर में 7 आएगा. अगर इधर 2 आए तो आंसर में 8 आएगा. If you get 8 here, you'll get an answer as a 2. So just changes, but rest other numbers are same. If you get 4 here, you'll get a 4 only. 6, 6, 5, 5, 0, 0. But only you have to remember for 2 and 8, 3 and 7. They interchange. They will get interchange. Okay. Now do one more example under this last concept. 226981. What will be the value? 226981. Nikita.
Answer
Okay.
60.
So your value will be here 61 because this 2 to 6 lies between 2 to 6 lies between 6 and 7. 6 and 7 पे lies होता है. तो smallest number क्या है? 6 है. So that is the first digit and 1 का 1 ही आएगा unit पे. So your answer will be 61. So I hope you people understood how to do the square cube root of 6 digit. Okay. Now we'll go to find the cube root of 7 digit. Okay, 7 digit number, 7 digit number. So this answer will be either first digit, middle digit and last digit. So here इसका आंसर क्या आता है? 3 digit में आता है. If your cube root, अगर आप 7 digit का cube root find out कर रहे, उसका आंसर आपको 3 digit में आएगा. Okay, that you have to be keep in mind. And what is the first step? If I take a here, the given number is what now? 34429. Okay, 34429. So what we have to get? We have to get a 3 values FML, first digit, middle digit and last digit. So first digit, last digit is what? We have to make a 3 groups. Okay, the last digit is what here? Unit digit is 1. So uska cube value क्या आता है? 1. The nearest corresponding value will be 1 only. So your last digit value will 1. Now check 3, the first digit value. So check a 3, where this 3 lies. So this 3 will lies between, the 3 lies in between 1 and 8. Okay, so which is the nearest number? 1 is the nearest number. So your nearest number क्या है अभी? 3 का nearest number क्या है? 1. So 1 cube का value क्या रहता है? 1 ही रहता है. So your first digit will be what? First digit will be a 1 only. Okay, first digit will be 1. Now what we have to do? We have to find out a middle digit. We have to find out a middle digit. So middle digit find out करने के लिए we have to subtract in a given number. आपका unit digit का cube क्या था? So unit digit was 1, उसका cube 1 ही है. So what you have to do? Take a 3442951, just subtract here. So you'll get a 0592. So here I have to consider only these numbers, 5 and the 1. So with what number you got a subtract? With a 1. So what you have to do? Again you have to use the formula 3L square M to find a middle number. Okay, here L will be what now? 1. Okay, and here that will be added here, 3 into 1 into M. Now whenever, now I have to do find the M value. अगर आप M value find out कर रहे हैं, अभी देखो equation क्या हो गया? 3M हो गया. So if you find a M value, that should be a multiple of 3. Okay, here multiple of 3. If you multiply that M number, आपका आंसर में यूनिट डिजिट क्या आना चाहिए? 5 आना चाहिए. Okay, so only one possible is there. What I do? I'll multiply with I'll take a M as value as 5. I multiply, so I'll get a 15. So here my unit digit is a 5. So therefore my M will become a 5. So that is your middle digit. Okay, so your answer will be a 151. Now it is 8 digit के लिए कैसे करना है? Consider the one number. Okay, the cube value, cube root of 8 digit 15252992. Okay, so this is the 4 digit, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the 4 digit. Now what you have to do? Again a group, make a group of 3 3 same. I think if I make this 3 3, okay, so here you will get a 2 value. So previous I got a 1, now here you got a 2. So this is a group of 3, group of 2 and group of 2 numbers, group of 3 3 2. Now check a last digit. The unit digit is 2. Okay, unit digit is 2 means your last digit is what now? So your last digit 2 means इधर देखो 512 है. 512 is a cube value. इसके corresponding value क्या है? 8 है. So your last digit will be a 8. Okay, your last digit will be a 8. Now what you have to do? Consider the first digit. So 15. 15 lies between, 15 will lies between 8 and 27. Okay, 15 will lies between 8 and 27. 8 का वैल्यू क्या आता है? 3 आता है. 27 का क्या आता है? 8 का वैल्यू 2 आता है and 27 का 3 आता है. So your answer will be a, your first digit will be a what now? First digit will be a 2. क्योंकि the 15 will lies between 8 and 27. The smallest number is 8 एंड 8 का क्यूब रूट वैल्यू क्या है 2 है. फॉर दैट फर्स्ट डिजिट विल बी अ 2. ओके, फर्स्ट डिजिट विल बी अ 2. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to do find the middle digit. To find the middle digit, again consider 2. लास्ट डिजिट को कंसिडर करो इधर. सो व्हाट इज द लास्ट डिजिट 2. लास्ट डिजिट इधर देख के हमने कौन सा टेबल रेफर किया था 512 एज अ करस्पॉन्डिंग 8 वैल्यू. ओके, 512 एज अ करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू इज 8. ओके, कंसिडर दिस 518. आई हैव टोल्ड इन द लास्ट आल्सो, हम लास्ट 7 डिजिट में क्या लिया था 1 क्यूब लिया था. सो हियर 8 का क्यूब है 512. कंसिडर दैट 152,992. So 8 क्यूब का वैल्यू क्या है 512 है. कंसिडर दैट, देन सबट्रैक्ट हियर 0, 8 and here it is a 4 and minus. So I want only this thing here in the while finding a 7 digit number. Okay, while finding a 7 digit number हमने कहाँ का नंबर कंसिडर किया था, we have taken L as this number. Okay, we have taken L as a whatever subtracting number. So what you have to do, what we subtracted, we have taken 8 cube number. We have taken a number as 8 cube number. So for that here same way take a number as L number as 8. कौन सा नंबर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट किए कर रहे हैं इधर 8 क्यूब. क्यों 8 क्यूब को हम सेलेक्ट किए, बिकॉज लास्ट डिजिट नंबर लाइज इन द that is a 2, so that corresponding value is 8 cube. So consider that 8 cube, subtract here, so consider that L as a 8. Then use a formula now, 3L square m, 3L square m. And if I use here 3L square m, that is 3 into 64. And what is a 64 into 3? That is a 64 into 3,
192.
192. Okay, so 192 you have to consider. 192 you have to consider. You have to consider. Next, what you have to do? Similarly, okay, what you have to do now in such a way that what you have to do, find a number now 192m. Okay, 192m you got. So what you have to do, you have to find a number how much that any digit become a 8. Okay, that any digit become a 8. So उसके लिए क्या करना है, just consider 2 and m. Don't consider full number, consider 2 and m. Any digit क्या है 8 है. So if I consider the 2's table, 2 into 4 is what 8, and 2 into 9 is also a 18. Okay, 2 into 4 is also 8 and 2 into 9 is also what 8. Okay, so here what we got a two possibilities. Either मेरा वैल्यू क्या आएगा अभी m का वैल्यू, either my m value will be a 4 or m value will be a 9. So my answer will be either what is that, first is 2. So 2 4 8 आएगा, नहीं तो 2 9 8 आएगा. So my answer will be a lies between 2 now, 2 4 8 or 2 9 8. So इसके लिए हम क्या करना पड़ेगा, next we have to go to the digital sum. We have to go to the digital sum what we did in the yesterday. Okay, we have to go to the digital sum we found in the yesterday. So that is what you have to do. Digital sum कैसे करना है, digital sum, consider this question. Question is what 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2. If you add these all the numbers, if you add these all the numbers, आपको कितना मिलेगा? If you add these all numbers, हमको कितना मिलेगा? 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15, 15 plus 9 is 24, 24 plus 9 is 32, 32 plus 2 is कितना आ गया? 35 आ गया. So if you add this 35, you will get a 3 plus 5 is a 8. You can check again. That is 35 only it comes. You can check again. So your answer will come as a 248. How we did? Find the digital sum again. After, क्योंकि why we have to do the digital sum? We got a two option, that is 248 and 298. तो इन दोनों में से हमको पता नहीं है कौन सा is the exact answer. So first take a question, do the digital sum. 35 आएगा, that is 8. And take a first option 248. उसका digital sum क्या आएगा? 8 आएगा. And so both are same. So 248 will be the answer, but I have to check 298 also. उसका sum क्या आएगा? 10. So 10 का digital sum क्या है? 1 only. So this is not an answer. So your answer will be 248. So here, while finding 9 digits, make a group. This is the example 191, 102, 976. Make a 3 group. Now what you have to do? This answer also has a 3 digit. First digit, middle digit and last digit. Okay. अभी देखो last digit में क्या है? The last digit is what? 6. Or a unit digit is what? 6. So check what is your unit digit value. So your unit digit value is 6 means वो कौन से टेबल पे लाई होता है. So check here 216. So here your cube value will be there. क्योंकि इधर 6 है तो आपका करस्पॉन्डिंग आंसर भी क्या रहता है? 6 ही रहता है. और 6 का क्यूब क्या है? 216. बिकॉज हमको नेक्स्ट स्टेप में इसको लेना है. ओके, सो नाउ इट इज अ 216. एंड व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट डिजिट? 191. 191 लाइज वेयर? 191 कहाँ रहता है? 125 एंड आई थिंक this will lies between 125 and 216. So 191 lies between 125 and 216. 125 किसका क्यूब है? क्यूब वैल्यू है 5 cube and this is a 6 cube. Okay, so which is the smallest number here? 5 is the smallest number. So take a 5 as the answer. So your first digit is what now here? 5 and last digit is what? 6. Now what you have to do? We have to find a middle digit. Same method. कैसे करना है? Take a value full again. 191102976 and cube value लेना है क्योंकि that is a unit 6. Cube value क्या है? 216. So just subtract here. That is a 6 and here it is a 7. Okay. So consider only this number. इधर क्या है आपको? 6 आ गया. And here you did with a 6 cube. Okay, you did with a 6 cube. So what is the L value here? So L value is a 6 and formula is 3L square m. So 3 into L means क्या आएगा? 36 and 36 into 3 क्या है? 108 m. Okay, 108 m आ गया. So इधर 108 m लिखता हूँ. So you'll got a 108 m. So you have to find the m value in such a way that your unit digit should lies in your unit digit को कितना रहना चाहिए? 6 रहना चाहिए. So इधर consider 8 and m आपके unit digit में 6 रहना है. So ऐसे कैसे multiply कर सकते? 8 into 2 if I multiply I'll get a 16. Again if I multiply 8 into 7 I'll get a 56. So I got here two possibilities, 2 and 7. So मेरा आंसर कैसे क्या होगा? मेरा आंसर my answer will be now 5. My answer will be what? 526 or 576. दो आंसर होंगे अगर 526 or 576. To confirm this, what we have to do again? We have to do a digital sum. So if I do the digital sum, okay, I'll just rub this. If I do the digital sum, कैसे digital sum करना है? What is the question? This is a question. So take a question. 1 plus 9 10 हो गया, 11 हो गया, 12 0 14 14 plus 9 23 23 plus 7 30 30 plus 6 36. Okay, here I got a 36. That is a 3 plus 6. You got a 9. Okay, and what is the first answer? The first question is 526. 526 क्या है? 5 plus 2 is a 7. 7 plus 6 is a 13. So 13 क्या है? 4. So 4 cube करना है. 4 into 4 into 4 64. 64 क्या आएगा आपको? You'll get a 10. 10 is nothing but your 1. Okay. So if you add 64. Then next क्या है? 5 5 what 7 6. Okay, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 plus 7 is a 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay, 18 is what again? 1 plus 9, so 1 plus 8 9. So what is a 9 cube? 9 cube is what? 7 to 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 plus 8. So you get as the answer 9. So this answer and this answer are same. So your answer will be, expected answer will be 576. So your answer will be what now? 576.